Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial by IT Conflict Computer Repair in Austin, Texas, and today I will be showing you guys how to upgrade or replace the RAM on an HP Pavilion DV7 notebook computer. So if you're ready, let's begin. The tools I'm going to be using today are a simple mini screwdriver set with a star head. Sorry, the camera's not getting a good view there. The star bit, and a thin flathead. I'm going to be using this actually as a spudger, just to pop off the plate. So, before we begin, the first thing you want to do on any laptop before you repair or attempt any repairs is remove the battery. So in this case, let's slide the battery to the release position. The battery will pop up just like so. Battery is removed. We'll put that to the side here. Now, to get to the RAM, there's 6 screws. The RAM is located underneath this plate, and to reveal the RAM component, you want to remove the 6 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'll start off with this screw here, no particular order. So I got my 6 screws unscrewed. Use my spudger, or in this case a flathead screwdriver, to pop up the panel. From the factory, sometimes it'll be a little more difficult. There we go. Panel came off, and the screws actually stay built into the panel, so they're not going to come off. We'll move those to the side, I'm sorry. You'll see the RAM component, or components, in this case the 2 gigabytes, 2 RAM slots. You have DIMM A, DIMM B, and you have the, this is 2 different RAM components. In order to remove the RAM, what you want to do are pull these notches outward. You'll see the RAM lift up. Pull the RAM out. And this is actually a 2 gigabyte Hynix RAM. This RAM, the specific model is PC2-6400S, and that's S for Sam. So, I'm sorry I can't get a decent camera shot for you. I have the light blasting down on this, so it'll actually have better color when removing it and a little brighter, but it kind of works in this case as a disadvantage. So we'll move that to the side. Let's see. Same thing with this RAM slot. We're going to pull it outwards. RAM pops out. RAM slides out. And we're done. So typically what you can do is, on a 32-bit operating system, I believe this motherboard will support up to 16 gigabytes. This is kind of like the Media Smarts by HP. They build these systems with higher-end components, or at the time, higher-end components, and you can use them pretty much for anything media. So if you have a 32-bit, you want to remember that you will only be able to support 4 gigs of RAM, but if you have a 64-bit operating system, you could potentially go up to 16 gigabytes of RAM. And you can check that out on Crucial's website, crucial.com. I'm going to link them there, probably in the description, so you guys want to use that tool anytime you want to identify how much RAM or how much RAM supported on your system. Given a few other factors, but it's pretty easy to figure it out from there. If you have any questions, you can always ask. So to install the RAM, I'm going to line up this notch here with the notch on the RAM slot. Once I've aligned it, I'm going to push it down and hear that click. That click tells me that it's been installed properly. So again, up top here, line the notches, the notch up with the notch there, slide it in, hear that click. So now we know we were able to successfully install that RAM. We're going to get the plate now and we'll put the plate. You'll see these little notches here. This is going to put back into the bottom of the system. It should snap back in place. There it is. I'll start tightening these screws here. So again, what we've done today is an HP Pavilion DV7. This is the Media Smart Systems by Hewlett-Packard. We're able to successfully identify the RAM component and upgrade. If you wanted to upgrade or replace the RAM, you very easily could, just removing 6 screws. Again, this system on a Windows 32-bit operating system will support up to 4 gigs of RAM, and if you have a 64-bit operating system, you could potentially install 16 gigabytes of RAM. The upgrade kits are pretty much available anywhere online or at any electronics store. So I'm going to install the battery back in, and we're done. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments section of youtube.com/itconflict. We're also on Facebook. That's facebook.com/itconflict. And check us out on Twitter. That's twitter.com/itconflict. Our website is www.itconflict.com. We're going to set up a forum there soon. Sorry, that's my phone ringing. But we'll have a forum there soon for you guys to check out and just kind of build a community, and maybe we can help each other out. Again, Eric with IT Conflict. Thanks for watching my videos.